Hey folks, look what came in the mail. Let's unbox this and find out what ukulele we've got. Well, isn't this a beauty? This was sent to me by Donner Ukulele, and love the styling on the headstock. It feels really substantial. You know, it's definitely got some heft to it. Uh, it has a bag of goodies, and it does come pre-drilled with strap buttons, and there's a strap in here. And look at this. Oh, it's slipping around. There is, let's get the glare off it, a felt pick in there. I totally approve. Well, I've got a bunch of practicing to do today, so I'm going to tune this bad boy up, or bad girl, or whatever, and I'm going to practice, and then I'll come back and we'll give it a listen. That was fun. I spent a good amount of time practicing for Ukulele Project Hawaii's Mele Ukulele 2021. Stick around to the end and I'll tell you more about this project that's near and dear to my heart. Well, in the meantime, let's listen to this instrument, and then I'll tell you some thoughts, and then I'll also do a comparison for you. Let's find my starting pitch dot. You're not Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Okay, so that's just a little taste of what this instrument sounds like. I'm liking it. I had a really good time practicing, and that tells me a couple things. One, the setup on this instrument feels really good. I didn't have to press extra hard. I didn't feel like doing barred chords or any challenge or anything like that. It felt normal. It felt like the instruments that I like to play on. I didn't feel like there was any problems with the fretboard. See this ukulele sitting up here? Well, there's a reason it sits up there. It's because I don't like it. The neck is the issue. It sounds pretty, but the neck is too narrow. So this has got a nice sized neck. It feels really good. It's really smooth. No problems with the frets. You heard me doing a slide. Everything is just easy peasy. It's got some major style points on it. You know, I love this headstock. I think that's just, really fun because it's reminiscent of those kind of electric guitars. The feel of this instrument, it's not lightweight. In fact, it feels a little bit heavier than some of my ukuleles, but not overly so. It feels like it's really solidly constructed. There's no blemishes that I can see whatsoever. It's got a finish that, you could easily take a lightly damp cloth to and wipe off, and it comes with a cleaning cloth. The fact that it comes with a strap and a felt pick, because regular picks can really chew up your ukulele because there's no pick guard on a ukulele. So I just have no problems recommending this ukulele, and there's a sale going on. So this is probably hitting my channel December 2nd, so you'll just have a few more days. I've got links down below, sale through December 5th. And I think even not on sale, this is a great instrument. But I'll let you make those decisions. I'll play some other instruments. Let me tell you about them first. Here's the Donner Concert Ukulele that we're currently reviewing. It shows that it's $69.99, available with Prime free shipping and free returns. Comes with everything that you see here, and I'm finding it's really a nice instrument. You'll also be hearing in this comparison a Paisley rosewood ukulele. Everything you see here, pretty much the same package, except it doesn't have the felt pick with it, but pretty much a similar package. Oh, this one has a capo. It is coming in at $76.99, and then top dollar here for these still relatively affordable ukuleles at about $90 with Amazon Prime and free returns is the koa wood, and it does have a solid koa wood top. It's a hurricane ukulele, and I've used this quite a bit in my tutorials. A little strumming. chord melody. Let's do that Rudolph riff again. I think this is a really nice ukulele. I had fun playing it. And usually with a brand new out-of-the-box ukulele, you know, things just aren't quite right. I'm having to retune all the time, and that was not the case with this instrument. Yes, I had to retune, but not all the time. It feels good. It's got a nice heft to it. It feels solid, substantial. There's absolutely no flaws that I can find in it. I should note that this is my strap, not the strap that comes with it. I also want to give Donner huge style points for this very attractive gig bag. Usually this has got like a textured finish on it. Their logo is looking very good. They've upped their logo since the last time that I reviewed a Donner ukulele, and huge style points. You want to carry a bag like this. It's stylish. I think the price is really great on this too. Wow. In fact, jump on that deal if you're thinking of giving a ukulele for a gift or for yourself. If you've ever wanted to play a ukulele, do it now. Get this instrument. You will not be unhappy with yourself. I'm just going to share a little tidbit here. It also says here that it has a 1 month, in the wrong side here. Nope. Oh, you have 1 month to return it if you're unhappy with it. And then also it says here, I love it, playing is the best maintenance method of an instrument. More play can open the whole layout fully, which can make the tone greater. And I couldn't agree more. Hey, I promised I'd tell you what I'm doing. On December 11th, I am going to be playing for the Mele Ukulele 2021 organized by Ukulele Project Hawaii. If you're new to my channel, and please hit the like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I am very much into charity efforts, and I believe that ukulele players can change the world. And so Ukulele Project Hawaii is trying to get 30 more ukuleles into the hands of keiki, or kids. And many of the kids that they serve are in less than ideal conditions for their family to be able to afford an instrument for them. I have contributed before to Ukulele Project Hawaii through my Patreon platform. So please check that out. I've got a link down below, and maybe one will be showing up here as well. Check out my Patreon platform. It starts at $3 a month. I try to give my patrons a ton of rewards because I really want to help them on their ukulele journey. And as well, I want to do these charity projects along the side too, because I just think it's that important. I want to empower people to embiggen this world. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks to Donner for giving me this instrument. I'll probably be donating this instrument to a group here in Kentuckiana that offers private lessons. But before I do, should I try to electrify it? Let me know down in the comments below. You're not Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph